Welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to make colored copy in Brother DCP-T420W. To do that, you just should insert any document you want to copy on your paper glass. Here you have the arrow, and you should locate the right top corner of your document in this way. As you can see, here I have 887, right? And this is left top corner, but when I rotate it, so as you can see, my right top corner is here. So right top corner of your document, locate near this arrow. Close the printer lid and press green button. Wait a while. And cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you!